Welcome to Touch Technology Review. In today's brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to loop a video clip on the timeline within DaVinci Resolve. This is useful if you have a short video clip of say 3 to 4 seconds, or maybe even longer, and you want to loop that across the entire extent of your timeline. So rather than copying and pasting the clip multiple times to fill the timeline, we can simply create a loop function. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to click on the effects menu at the top and drag a fusion composition onto the timeline. I can then extend the composition to the desired length of the loop that I'm trying to create. Then I'll click on the fusion tab below. Then we'll click on the media pool tab and drag the media into the nodes window. I'm then going to drag the right-hand box of the media that I just dragged into the nodes window into the media out one node to make a connection. Then we're going to click on the median one node and click on loop. Now we'll go back into the main timeline and click on play, and you'll see that your video is now looping. Now, what happens if you want to extend the fusion composition? You'll notice when you do so, if you go to the additional section that you just created within that fusion composition, it may be black. So to fix that up, you go back into the fusion window, you tap on the median one node, take the loop off, put it back on again, check the trim and in-out points in the right-hand side. You should see they'll extend to the full fusion composition, go back to the main timeline, and the loop will now continue across the whole fusion composition. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this information helpful. If you did, feel free to hit me up with a like and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any comments or questions, drop them in the comments box below. And if you are into DaVinci Resolve and want to see more videos on how to use the program, I'll leave some links in the description section below. See you on the next one. Bye for now.